Greetings, everyone. This is Barry and Katanya here from Glorified Bodies Fitness. We're going to do a little breathe, stretch, and relax today. So this is going to be from the inside. We're breathing. Let's breathe in. And exhale. Two more times. Breathe in. Exhale. And one more time, please. Breathe in. Exhale out. So in this, since this is beginning, we're going to take our legs, put them on one side. Katanya is going to go the other way. And we're going to turn our torso and get stretch on there for 10, 9, 8, 7. Breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to the other side, taking our time. Make sure you're comfortable in your chair for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's just massage that area that we just worked for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to sit up and do an ab massage. One hand on the abs, the other on top of that. Pick a direction for 10, 9, 8, 7. Breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change hands and change direction for 10, 9. Breathe. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do shake a sheet. So we go up high. Let's go low for 5. Exhale. Up. 4. Exhale. Up. 3. Exhale. Up. 2. Exhale. Up. 1. Exhale. Now we're going to cross one ankle over the other, and we're going to do a bicep curl with the leg. Ready? 10, 9, 8, nice and easy. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Placing that leg down, and let's just massage that leg into the quadricep, into the calf, and into the ankle if you can get it. And let's not forget the little hip flexor for a moment. Yes, that should feel pretty good. Ready to do the other side? Crossing the ankle over, nice and easy, reaching up underneath the calf and pulling it towards us. 10, 9, breathe. 8, sit up in the chair. 7, very good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And again, we're going to massage that leg right down into the knees, right down into the calf, into the ankle if you can get it. And coming back up, and we're going to get right into that hip flexor. Outstanding. We're going to do an alternate elbow, one forward, one back. So we go 10, 10. Breathe. 9, 9. Way to go. 8, 8, 7, 7. Breathing. 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, and 1, 1. Let's massage into the opposite trap. So I'm taking my hand at the base of the neck, working right down to the trap. Oh, that feels pretty good. Loosening up, letting that stress go. And you could tap yourself out if you so choose. Well, like, okay, and the other one, there's a trap in the floor that some people fall into every so often. Okay, very good. So let's do a wave over. Ready? 10, 10, 9, 9. Breathe. 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, and 1, 1. We're going to take 3 breaths in again. Ready? Breathe in. Exhale. 2 more times, please. Breathe in. Exhale. And 1 more time, please. Breathe in. Exhale. What we're going to do is polish the table. We go out, separate the hands, sit back, and 10, 9, breathe, 8, take your time with it, 7, 6, good, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And again, we're just going to massage very quickly into the traps. And we'll breathe out and conclude for this system. Ready? Breathe in. Exhale. 2 more times. Breathe in. Exhale. On this breath, we're going to stretch from side to side. Nice and easy. Breathe in. Stretch from side to side. And place your right hand on your left shoulder. Left hand on your right shoulder. Give yourself a big hug. Thank you very much. And looking forward to seeing you next time.